let's make 5-minute, super delicious honey garlic shrimp. To quickly prep a marinade, in a bowl, add 1/3 cup honey, 1/4 cup soy sauce or coconut aminos with some fresh garlic, ginger, and red pepper flakes. You can stick this in the fridge for 20 minutes or a few hours as long as you want. To prove to you how simple this recipe really is, I'm not cutting the video at all, so you'll see me walking around my kitchen and multitasking. The beauty about shrimp is that they cook so fast, so truly this took about 5 minutes to cook in total. On medium to medium-high heat, you dump your shrimp into the pan in a single layer, and then after about a minute or two, you flip them over. After the second side cooks for a minute or two, you take the rest of your marinade and dump it in, and we cook for 1 more minute. So again, 1 to 2 minutes, flip, 1 to 2 minutes, dump the marinade in, 1 minute, you're done. While the shrimp are cooking, you can multitasking by chopping up some herbs. You can use cilantro, parsley, green onion, whatever you want, but that adds a really delicious fresh element to the shrimp once you're finished. Doesn't this look so good? Also, just to put you on the greatest kitchen hack of all time, you can get bottles of squeezable ginger and garlic at your grocery stores. I used about 1 to 2 tablespoons of each of these in this recipe. It's all of the flavor with none of the work. Just yes, am I right?